to the Adelaide Investigator V newsletter. I'm Angela Mina and I'm the Managing Director of Adelaide Property Finders. In today's segment we're going to be talking about trusts and the benefits that trusts can offer investors. Before we go any further, I think it's important to say that what we're about to go through now, it shouldn't be considered as any financial advice or legal advice or tax advice. It shouldn't be considered as any advice whatsoever. This is just information that we're going to be providing about trusts. To help us with this, we're going to be speaking with a barrister, a doctor and a chartered accountant, and his name's Campbell Rankin. There may be some legal jargon. There may be a lot of legal jargon in this interview, so you may want to put your helmets on, strap yourselves in and have your legal dictionary beside you, because I think we're just about to see how a barrister does extreme sports. Campbell, thanks so much for making the time to speak with us today. To get the ball rolling, can you tell us a bit about yourself?
Yes, I'm Campbell Rankin from my own firm, Campbell Rankin. I practice wholly in the field of taxation law, predominantly in the field of taxation of trusts and stamp duty on trusts. Hold a doctorate in taxation law, and my thesis topic was the taxation, broadly on the taxation of trusts. It was called the disutility of assessing trust beneficiaries on incomes derived by their trustees. And this built upon previous degrees I've done in tax law, particularly on trusts, and this has been a progression of a number of years. I practiced originally as a chartered accountant for 20 years and moved out of that into tax law when accounting for trusts became just too complex for accountants, and that's where I practice now as a sole practitioner.
Okay, so how long have you been a chartered accountant solicitor for?
Well, I've been a chartered accountant for 20 years and a solicitor for 27 years.
So, Campbell,